That is the weakest close in the history of real estate.
Whissel Realty has been ranked the #1 real estate team in San Diego County 3 years in a row now, per the Wall Street Journal. I want to give you a behind the scenes look at the way we do things around here to help our agents make more money in less time and have a good time doing it. Welcome to the Whissel Way.
The biggest thing with your open houses is, so what do you think is not a close? You got to get that through your head. If somebody's walking out the door and you ask, so what do you think? That is the weakest close in the history of real estate. So don't do that. That's not a close. So you guys ready to move in? So do you guys want to write an offer? Like, there's certain clientele that you just need to be very, very direct with. There's no beating around the bush, no bullshit. Straight up, so are you going to write an offer? There's a lot of people, I'll straight up ask them that. Especially the people that like brush you off and you just can't build any rapport with. Just be blunt. So do you want to write an offer? You just ask that. Could you see yourself living here? Does this suit your family's needs? Ask questions like that. So what do you think is a weak ass close, in my opinion? So come at it with something a little bit stronger than what do you think? And ideally, you should never get to the point where they walk through the whole house and you're just catching them on the way out. Like, if you're doing your open house and somebody comes in, you're like, all right, well, there's a house, go look at it. Let me know if you have questions. Like, no, you're a salesperson. Like, do your job. Actually sell them on the house. Walk around with them. Talk to them. Build rapport with them. Show them the features of the home. Ask more questions. Get to know them. Build the relationship with them. Don't wait for them to be walking out the door and try to, pull a 2-minute drill at the bar at 2 in the morning. That might work sometimes, but I promise you'll have better odds if you start a little bit earlier. Yeah. Was that inappropriate? Sorry. Cool? All right, guys, let's have a good fucking week.